Today we're getting ready to test a brand new hybrid goat 22T. This one's actually going across the pond over to Germany for Wolfgang, and it's going to be a great test. Beautiful day, very sunny. We had some rain earlier, so it'll be a little bit slick on the hill, so a good test for the tracks and the propulsion system. And especially we want to thank Wolfgang for his business here at Evatech. We appreciate all of our customers. So let's give it a good test. I'm just going to do a basic function check. Basically just forwards, reverse, make sure it's able to do its zero turn functionality. Here's the track's a little bit loose, we'll tighten that up before she leaves, but it's still good to proceed with the test. Driving very nicely. You can see it responds immediately to the remote. Makes it easy to go around obstacles or any tight spaces. So let's take it over to the hill. The 22T features a very high torque motor gearbox combo, and makes it so these types of hills are really no problem at all. This is the proper way to mow a hill like this, any kind of slope. Basically, you want to go along the side of the slope. You don't want to go up and down unnecessarily. This makes it more efficient, easier on the machine. Once you get to the end, you would just reverse. What's nice about the 22T is it actually mows both forwards and backwards. So it really greatly increases your efficiency. Last function to try out is the gas engine shut off. So I'm just going to go ahead and try that. See, I did that just straight from the remote. Didn't have to touch the machine or come up to it at all. Seems like it was a great test. I think Wolfgang's going to be very happy. We're going to be testing a brand new hybrid goat 22T. This one's going out to Wolfgang from Germany. This one is pretty unique. It has a snowplow attachment in the front, and we're doing something we've never done before. We're going to actually be pushing sand across the ground with the snowplow attachment. We're in Florida. It's the middle of the summer. We don't really have snow to be able to show you, but sand should be a really great substitute. So let's show you. The Hybrid Goat 22T has plenty of power to handle all of your plowing needs.